Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of a new hard look at allegations of rigging in currency markets in London. But first, today we get migration data for June. On Thursday, all eyes will be on the OCR review by the Reserve Bank. Falling dairy prices, low real estate volumes and retreating international exchange rates will be balanced against the inflation risks in the New Zealand economy. It's also heading into the election campaign. The chances of the expected and signalled rise on Thursday are diminishing, according to observers, but they have not disappeared. In London, the British are about to launch a criminal investigation into alleged rigging of the $5 trillion a day foreign exchange markets. It's the first on the criminal front and will target the banks based in the city. Fireworks are expected. In Sydney, at the G20 trade ministers meeting, it's not the Ukraine that is dominating the meeting, but India. The expected final agreement on the so-called Bali package is now unlikely because of new concerns being raised by India. In New York, yields on benchmark US Treasury 10-year bonds held at 2.48%, despite escalations in the Ukraine and Gaza risks. But the New Zealand swap rates fell quite sharply. This is on top of the Thursday falls. The 1 year didn't move, but from 2 to 10 years there was a sharp flattening of the drop. The 2-year interest swap rate is now at 4.1%, a level has not been in well over a month. The 5-year rate is now down at 4.51%, down from 4.65% just 3 days ago. The US oil prices fell slightly after Thursday's run-up, but the US Brent premium narrowed further. Gold lost $6 an ounce and ended the week at $1,316 an ounce. Equities, on the other hand, rose in late Friday trade. We start the week with the New Zealand dollar lower. We're now at just under 86.8 US cents, 92.6 Aussie cents, and the TWI is just under 80.8. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.